Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Biometrics and Security so the phone records your fingerprint. Once there, choose Fingerprints and unlock with your PIN to add a new print. This ensures the phone uses a verified credential. Make sure Gallery is accessible and not restricted by Secure Folder or Guest Mode. When prompted, place your finger on the sensor repeatedly, varying angle and pressure. This captures multiple sensors readings. Keep motions slow and steady, and confirm the enrollment when the progress reaches completion. Once the fingerprint is enrolled, open the Gallery app and tap the three-dot menu to get to Settings. This directs you to album protection options. Choose Lock Albums or move selected albums into Secure Folder, then set the unlocking method to fingerprint so you avoid entering a password each time. You may be asked to confirm your device PIN. Do that to link the biometric. After linking, test by closing and reopening an album. Place your registered finger on the sensor to confirm instant access. Finish by testing multiple times. Lock the album and unlock with the finger you enrolled, ensuring consistent results. If unlocking fails repeatedly, remove any duplicate or worn prints and re-enroll the fingerprint with varied angles. This resolves most recognition issues. If problems persist, clear Gallery app cache, confirm secure folder permissions, and install any software updates. These fix permission or biometric bugs. One key tip: clean the sensor and your finger. Dirt and moisture reduce reliability, so wipe and try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.